Hello loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. If not, welcome back. Today's video we're going to be talking about how to do a fully floral foam 3D letter. Letter that I'm choosing the letter D. This is nice, this is big. Poster board, Dollar Tree, Walmart, Amazon, wherever you like. You're going to need that. You're going to need foam mounting tape. Got this from Dollar Tree. You can also use this E6000. If not, you can use a glue gun, something to make sure everything actually adheres. You're actually going to need your actual artificial flowers from Dollar Tree, Walmart, Hobby Lobby, AliExpress, online, wherever you'd like. You can probably even use the pop-up that tape from Dollar Tree as well, whatever tape you fancy. And let's get right into doing this video. Now, you're going to need your foams. These foams, I got these foams here from Dollar Tree. You don't have to use these bigger pieces of foam. I just had this foam for another project I figured on because I feel like it's kind of hard to get like the curved foam pieces. So I just used that semicircle foam and cut it into two. That's why these here look a little funny, because I just took the extras, just added that in to make sure every single piece had some foam on it for extra support. You're going to take these foam pieces here. And as you place them, you're going to place them right on and go ahead and stick them on. So far, I've stuck on 3 here, and this is a nice secure hold, so I may not even need this, but let's see how this works. So far, this is what it's looking like, pretty ugly, but as we add the florals, let's see what it looks like. Place the pieces on like so. With the actual dry foam that I got is better. The wet foam here, it's super soft, so you're gonna have to use extra glue to make sure that it sticks on because it's super soft. I can't stand it, as you can obviously see here. But at least this one here, it's a more firmer material, so it's actually gonna hold the mounting tape. Let's see what you like. Now that it's all glued, let's go ahead and add the florals. All right, my loves, this is what it's looking like so far. So far, this is just literally one stem. I'm just using a really heavy duty scissor to go ahead and cut. Make sure there's something pretty sharp. Please be careful. These are the stems as they look like before I cut them. You know, like right after I cut them, this is what the stems look like, nice and slim, easy to stick into the foam pieces here. Like I said, it's just one stem. Like this is just one petal of this one. This is a 1-for-1 here. That's just one so far. So I feel like you may need 3 stems of this. I'm gonna go ahead and add the second one on. Like I said, super easy. Just go ahead and bend, and then you're gonna place right inside of the foam. Take this piece here, and the stem piece, bend it into 2, give it a little bit more volume, and then you're gonna add it into the foam. Like so. Make it much thinner to make it easier to stick into. I'm going to put this one inside here. That way we start to go around to make the D. Like this. Take the piece. Push it in super deep and continue going around. Let's see what this looks like. And so far, this is what we're looking at. Getting pretty full. Here's a piece I'm working on. Nice, good quality piece of foam made of plastic, nice and rigid, hard material. Bent stem. Nice and firm. Let's finish this up. Now that we're just about done, we're just stapling I'm just securing it to a box just for added security. Granted, this is like a little poster board, so it's really thin. So of course, if you're picking up, it's not supportive. So I'm just gonna put it on a box, and then I can just cut out the hole towards the end. If anything, I can leave it on because I think I'm gonna do something a little bit different with it. But this is what it's looking like thus far. I'm liking it, but it's not what I expected for it to look like, due to the fact that the flowers are heavier than I thought. So I'm gonna see what I can do. If I don't like it towards the end, I'll just use it for something else. So let's see how it looks. All right, y'all. This is how my D came out. Let me go all the way back. So granted, it's not all that I expected. I still just want to cut around the borders. So granted, people say, "Oh my God, it's so easy." You have to really, really craft and play around with it. If you use stuff from scissors, from tape, popsicle sticks, glue, band strings, whatever you can use. I use popsicle sticks to hold up the back because the thing is the flowers I have are so heavy. Granted, when you lift it, it's not heavy to you, but when you have it on foam, foam can only take so much, especially if it's foam of plastic, if it's like actual like foam. So you really, really have to play around with this. Granted, mine still looks somewhat like a D, if you will. Comment down below. Let me know what you think. I don't know. I think it can pass for a D, but I don't know. Maybe I'm biased because I guess it's my D. But at least if you're doing an A, if you're doing a W, if you're doing a V, it'll be a bit more pronounced, if you will. So let me know in the comments below. Let me know what you guys think. Until next time. Bye bye, babes. As you can see on the back of my, see how I had to use popsicle sticks to hold up the heavy pieces? Look, literally look, popsicle sticks. Because it just was not sticking because it was just unsupportive. So dowels, whatever you guys can use, sticks, strings, glue, putty, whatever, use it. See how you won't see that in the front? That's what you want. So just enough support, glue, E6000, whatever. Whatever.